Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Right. Okay. We are the class 4. Our subject science. Yes, children. Okay, we will recall our previous class what we have discussed. In the previous class, we have discussed about animals, where they are going to live. Some animals will live in water, some animals will live in land, some animals will live in the sky, or you can say in the air. We have seen different types of animals as well as how they are going to adapt themselves. Land animals are having different characters. They can walk by using their legs. As well as when you go to the fish or you can say water animals, they are having fins. Some animals like duck, some birds like duck, the swan are having webbed feet. And we have seen scales on the body. Some of the animals like snakes. Snakes are having scales on their body which can move by using their scales. And what about the air animals like birds? You can say all the birds are having wings which helps them to fly. Today we are going to learn about the land animals. Especially in the previous class we have seen animals are divided into some animals will live in the forest, some animals will live in desert, some animals will live in polar region. We have seen the habitat also, right? Today we are going to know about land animals. What we are going to know? Yes, land animals. Land animals. If you see in the land, what you can find? Yes, we can find different places like desert, mountains, desert areas, mountains, and next polar regions. You can see. First of all, we will see about the desert. What we are going to see? Desert. If you observe the desert area, what you can find mostly? Yes, we can find sand dunes as well as which animal we can see? Yes, which animal? Camel. Camel is having? Yes, we can see in the desert. Especially the camel can walk in the desert by using its thick feet. What it is going to use? Thick feet or to thick foot to walk on sand, walk on hot sand. Yes. If you see the camel, camel is having a very thick foot. Means the legs of the camel is having a thick foot which helps them to walk in the sand, which are very thick. It does not dip into the sand. If we walk on the sand, our legs will be dipping into, means going inside the soil. But going inside the sand. But camel is having the thick foot which does not deepens into the sand. Now we are going to see about the mountain regions. What we are going to see? Mountain regions. Mountains. Yes. Mountains means every animal. Means some of the animals like if you observe some of the animals like mountains, in the mountain region, what you can see especially? Yes, polar bears. What you can see? Polar bears, as well as you can see some of the animals like yak. Yes, these two animals you can see in the mountain region. They are having a special structure, that is, they are having fur on their body. They are having fur on their body to protect from cold. To protect from cold. To protect from cold. Yes. You can see. Now we have learnt about the desert animal, that is camel. Okay. Now up to now we have seen the desert animal like camel. Next one mountain region we have seen polar bears and the ant. What about the some animals will live in the grasslands, means directly in the forest. Where it is going to live? Grasslands. Grasslands are nothing but called as a forest. You can write all the animals. both herbivores as well as omnivores or carnivorous animals. Like tiger, lion, deer, donkey, you can write any animal which lives in the forest. Animals which live in the forest will eat the grass, or you can say those who are going to live in grassland. These animals are having some structure. Their body color, their skin color will mixes with the grass. Skin color will mix with grass. That helps to that helps to hide. That helps to hide. Means if you take any animal, either it is a deer or it is a tiger, tiger is going to catch the deer. It will hide in the grass. When the deer is going to run away from the tiger or the lion or any animal, it is going to hide in the bushes. Means we are having some types of adaptations. Some of the animals will live in the forest areas. Yes, they are having colors on their body, different fur colors. Means suppose if our body is also having some of our body color will be in the black color, some of our body color will be in the white color, some are having the medium color. Like that, the same animals, some animals are having patterns on their body. If you observe the giraffe, yes, it is having the dotted structures. Everything will be in the orange color, right? If you observe the donkey, or if you observe the zebra, zebra is having the patterns on their body. If you observe that tiger, lion, everything is having some fur on their body which will be mingled in the grass. Now we are going to see the content about picture. Then we will. Yes. This is physical features of a land animals. Now, what is our textbook image? Physical features of land animals. We can see clearly. Right. I am going to share you the screen. You can look after it. Right. Physical features of land animals. Most of the animals that live on land have legs. Animals which live on land are having, what is the main structure? Legs. Legs. They use their legs to walk, run, to get their food. Normally, how we are using our legs, in the same manner, animals also will use their legs to walk, to run, and to in search of the food, means to get the food. Right. Deer use their legs to walk and graze. What they are going to use? Deer is going to use its legs to walk and graze. Graze is nothing but eating the food or eating the grass. ఓకే గ్రేజ్ అంటే వర్డ్ ఏంటంటే ఫుడ్ తినడానికి ఏ యానిమల్ ఆర్ ఆల్ herbivores animals will going to eat the food. That word is called as a graze. ఏమంటారు మనం గ్రాస్ తినే యానిమల్స్ ని గ్రేజింగ్ యానిమల్స్ అంటారు. ఓకే రైట్. నెక్స్ట్ hyenas use their legs to run and hunt for the food. Hyena is the animal which looks like a tiger, but it does not, means it looks like a fox, black fox. You can say black fox, which looks very dangerous. It will also will run by using its legs and hunt the animals. Some animals such as snow leopards and ants live in very cold places. You can see in the picture very clearly that is the snow leopard, has the thick fur. You can see the fur also. The pattern fur, it looks like our sweater. అర్థమవుతుందన్న ఇప్పుడు మనం దాన్ని చూస్తే మనకి క్లియర్గా ఏం అర్థమవుతుంది, అదేదో స్వెటర్ వేసుకున్నట్టు అనిపిస్తుంది దాని బాడీ మీద. అవునా కదా? నార్మల్ టైగర్ కి స్నో లెపర్డ్ కి డిఫరెన్స్ ఏంటంటే నార్మల్ టైగర్ మీద స్కిన్ మీద అంత హెయిర్ అంత ఫర్ ఉండదు, స్నో లెపర్డ్ కి ఫర్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడ మీరు చూస్తే క్లియర్గా అర్థమవుతుంది. హౌ వి విల్ వేర్ ద స్వెటర్స్ ఇన్ ద వింటర్ సీజన్, ద సేమ్ మేనర్ హియర్ ద స్నో లెపర్డ్ is having thick fur on their body. Some animals such as the snow leopards and ants. Ants is also a very big animal. It is having a lot of hair on the body. ఇక్కడ మీకు ఫర్ కనిపిస్తుంది. యాంట్ ఏంటంటే హెయిర్ చాలా లాంగ్ గా ఉంటుంది. ఐ విల్ షో ద పిక్చర్ నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్ దట్. నాట్ ఓవర్. Yes, live in very cold places. Two animals like snow leopards and ants will live in very cold places, like high mountains, where they are going to live in the high mountain regions. These animals have thick fur on their body to keep them warm. How we will keep our body warm? How we will keep our body warm in winter season? By using sweaters. In the same manner, yes, these leopards and the ant will keep their body warm by using their fur. Next, camels live in the deserts that have sand and very hot. Normally, we can see this structure in the desert areas. The sand will be very hot due to the climatic condition. The sun rise will be very almost 60 to 70 degrees Celsius. Because of that, the sand will be converted into very hot. They have the large feet that do not sink into the sand. Camel is having a very thick feet. It does not sink. Sink అంటే దాంట్లోకి వెళ్ళిపోకుండా ఉండటానికి. ఇప్పుడు సపోజ్ మనం సపోజ్ ఇంటి ముందు అన్న ఇసుకుంది అనుకోండి, శాండ్ ఉంది అనుకోండి, దాంట్లో మీరు కాలు పెట్టిన ఏమవుతుంది, మన కాలు కిందికి వెళ్ళిపోతుంది, అంటే అది సింక్ అవుతుంది. కానీ ఇప్పుడు మనం క్యామెల్ చూస్తే క్యామెల్ డైరెక్ట్ గా నడుచుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. హౌ వీ విల్ వాక్ ఆన్ ద నార్మల్ ల్యాండ్, అది డిఫరెన్స్ మనకి. Yes, if you observe the camel, you can see the clearly. Yes, camel is having thick feet. Legs చాలా గట్టిగా, దాని feet చాలా గట్టిగా ఉంటాయి. అందుకోసమనే సింక్ కాదు sand లో. The camels have long legs to keep its body away from the hot land. It is having very long legs. How the giraffe is having the long legs? The next most animal which is having long legs is the camel. Camel ki చాలా లాంగ్ లెగ్స్ ఉంటాయి. జిరాఫీకి ఎలా అయితే లాంగ్ లెగ్స్ ఉన్నాయో క్యామెల్ కదా లాంగ్ లెగ్స్ ఉంటాయి. దానివల్ల హార్ట్ అంటే ఇప్పుడు శాండ్ చాలా వేడిగా ఉంది. నార్మల్గా వేడి వస్తుంది మనం ముట్టుకుంటే మనకి ఏమవుతుంది, హార్ట్నెస్ తెలుస్తుంది. కానీ క్యామెల్ కి హార్ట్నెస్ బాడీకి తెలియకుండా ఉండడానికి ఆ లాంగ్ లెగ్స్ యూజ్ అవుతుంది. అర్థమవుతుందా? Camel is having a very long legs as well as very thick feet. Because of these two structures, it can walk easily on the sand and it can eat the food in the desert areas. That is the most important. Now we are going to see the pictures like yak. Yes, this is the yak. You can see how thick hair it is having. Yes, it is having thick fur, or you can say hair. Because of that hair, it can protect its body from the cold region or the cold places. It will live in the mountain regions. Its body is very big in size. When compared to our normal buffaloes, it is having very big body. మన నార్మల్గా మన బఫెలోస్ చాలా చిన్నగా ఉంటాయి, ఆ బఫెలో చాలా పెద్దగా ఉంటుంది. ఇంకోటి ఏంటంటే దాని బాడీ మొత్తం హెయిర్ చాలా లాంగ్గా ఉంటుంది, కింద కనిపిస్తుంది హెయిర్. యాక్చువల్గా బాడీ ఫస్ట్ నుంచి ఉంటుంది హెయిర్, మీకు కింద క్లియర్గా కనిపిస్తుంది లెగ్స్ దగ్గర. లెగ్స్ విల్ బి సమ్వాట్ షార్టర్. మన యానిమల్స్ ఉన్న దానికంటే మన బఫెలోస్ కంటే మన లెగ్స్ కొంచెం చిన్నగా ఉంటుంది, ఫర్ మాత్రం ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకోసం అంటే టు ప్రొటెక్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద కోల్డ్, చల్లగా ఉండడానికి ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేసుకోవడానికి, దాని బాడీ కవర్ చేసుకోవడానికి హెయిర్ యూస్ అవుతుంది. Next we will see some of the animals. Yes, camel already we have seen. Next, tiger. Tall grass. Tall grass will hide, will help to hide. Tiger is going to hide to attack the animal. ఇప్పుడు మనం నార్మల్ గా డిస్కవరీ ఛానల్ లో చూస్తే టైగర్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది, ఫస్ట్ వెరీ షార్ప్ ఐ సైట్, నెక్స్ట్ యాజ్ వెల్ యాజ్ ఇయర్ సైట్ చాలా ఎక్కువ ఉంది. అది కంపల్సరీగా యానిమల్ ఎక్కడ పోతుందో చూసి అటాక్ చేస్తుంది. అప్పటి వరకు ఎక్కడ హైడ్ అవుతుంది, గ్రాస్ లో హైడ్ అవుతుంది. యూ కెన్ సీ దాని ప్యాటర్న్, అక్కడ ఉన్న గ్రాస్ రెండు సేమ్ కలర్ లో ఉంది. అర్థమవుతుందా? అలా సేమ్ కలర్ లో ఉండటం వల్ల అది హైడ్ చేసుకోవడానికి కానీ దాన్ని ప్రొటెక్ట్ చేసుకోవడానికి కానీ యూజ్ అవుతుంది. ఓకేనా? ఎస్, టైగర్ విల్ హెల్ప్ టు hide itself from the any other animal or to attack the animals also. Next we are going to see the buck sheep now. Yes, what is the buck sheep we are going to see now? This is our buck sheep. Try to complete the buck sheep also. First one, we can see the desert animal, that is camel, right? Yes, what it is the feature, place and a common animal desert. Hot in the day, cold in the night, windy, sandy and difficult to walk on. A camel is a common animal. You can see the structures, how the descent will be. Morning time it will be very hot, evening it will be very cold. But the camel can walk easily. Why? What is the reason we are going to write there? What the physical feature? To have the animal. Here we will write their answer. Yes. Wide foot of the camel will help. Okay, children, I will tell the answers. You can understand it and you can write it. Right? Yes, if you observe the camel, first one, it is having the wide foot. The camel. But yes, children, we will write the worksheet. Wait a minute. Due to some net problem, you cannot see the worksheet right now, but we will write it. No problem. I have lots of comments in right now. Yes, you can see the worksheet, Nana. Yes, first one clearly, that is the camel. Yes, camel is having the wide foot which helps to walk on the land. What you have to write? Wide foot which helps to walk on the sand. That part you have to write in the box, first box. Second one, high mountain regions, very cold and windy. The land is very rocky. How the land will be rocky means almost every place there will be rocks on the mountains, so that the land will be rocky. Yak is a common animal. Which is the common animal here? Yak. You can see in the picture also already, which we have seen before. Yes, what you have to write? It has a lot of fur on the body so that it can protect itself. Have lot of fur which protects its body from cold. You can write that sentence. Right? Next. White food for camel and writing answer. White food helps to walk. Yes, that what you can write. Yes. Next, for mountain region, lots of fur, which helps to protect from cold. Yes. Next, you can see the tiger, grasslands they have given, lion. Hot summers and the cold winters have, the land is covered with the tall grass. Every season it is having the tall grass, so that lion is the common animal there. We can write that. Tall grass helps to hide and in search of food. And in search of food. Because of the tall grass only, lion can search its food by hiding itself. Right. Next, we can see the next question. Yes, now we are going to see the first question. First question. Yes. What are the physical features that helps camel to live in the desert? Same thing you can write. Camel has a large feet that helps to walk. Yes, we will try to do it now. Wait a minute. For the first question, yes, camel has large feet that does not sink sink into the land, sink into sand, sink into sand. Yes, because of that, it can walk easily in the desert. You can write that sentence. It will be sufficient for you. Next. Next one, we are going to see the next question. A tiger lives in the grasslands and the forest with many trees. What physical features does a tiger have that helps to live in the grassland? What is the feature, Nana? Yes, the color of the tiger matches. The color of a tiger matches the place that lives in. The place the place that lives in. So animal can see it easily. So animals, so animal, so animals, so animal it can attack any animal. So it can attack any animal. Yes. By this we have completed our third question. Now we are going to write the third question. Snow leopards in the cold mountains and the tigers live in the places that are not very cold. What are the features? Physical features helps the snow leopards. They are having thick fur on their body. We will write the answer now. The thick fur of a snow leopard helps to adapt to the cold conditions. The thick fur of snow leopard helps it adapt to cold conditions. Yes. By this we have completed our worksheet. Yes, children, try to complete the worksheet by observing the pictures. Okay? Right. We have seen the worksheet now and we have seen the different animals also. Mostly these are animals like desert animals, mountain animals and grasslands. Okay? Right. By this we have completed our topic. Now I am going to ask you the questions. Yes? Unmute yourself now. Yes. Any one of you? Today Revant has came. Revant, where do tiger lives? Unmute yourself. Where do tiger lives?
In forest.
Bhavish, you told the answer once again.
Forest.
Forest, very good. Forest is called as what we have written here? Grasslands. You told the right answer, but you can say it is as a grasslands. Right. Next. Abhilash. Abhilash. Yes, sir. Where do polar bears live? In which region? Or you can say tiger, leopard, snow leopard. Where do snow leopard will live? Can you tell me the answer, Abhilash? Revati is raising hand. Also, you can ask me one. Abhilash, will you tell me the answer? Bhavish, Padvi, Asna, any one of you? Where do snow leopard will live? In which region? In mountain region.
Mountains.
Mountain. Yes. Bhavish has told the answer. Okay. Right. Leave it. Come back to the work. We will take the photo once. Take this one. Right, children, we have discussed about the land animals. Land animals are having the legs which helps them to walk, run and in search of the food. Mostly we have discussed about the three things today about desert animals, mountain animals and the grasslands. Desert area you can see one animal that is especially camel. For the mountain regions you can see the polar bears, yeah, as well as snow leopard. Snow leopard also, right. These are the things. Snow leopard is having the thick fur on the body which protects its body from the cold. Right. Next, the grasslands. You can write all herbivorous animals or carnivorous animal, omnivorous animal. All these animals which live in the forest is an example for grasslands. Because of the skin patterns, they can mingle with the grass. That helps them to hide in search of the food. By this we have completed our topic. Yes, that is about land animals. Today I am going to send you the worksheet. Try to complete the worksheet and send it by WhatsApp. Okay children, bye. We will meet in the next class.